Good day class, I'm Sir Gary and welcome to our video lesson. Our topic for this video is about arithmetic sequence. Before we start, let's have a short recall. When you hear the word sequence, what comes to your mind? Okay, that is correct. Sequence is a list of things and numbers, set of numbers that makes a pattern, and collection of objects. By its definition, sequence it is a set of numbers formed according to some pattern or rule. It is written in a specific order. Let's have an example. What is the next shape? What do you think would be the next shape? Alright, if your answer is heptagon, you are correct because the sequence of shapes are polygons and it is patterned or arranged according to their sides. On our previous topic, we worked with sequence or patterns. Now, let's have arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between consecutive terms is constant or fixed. The constant difference in all pairs of consecutive or successive numbers in a sequence is called the common difference, denoted by the letter D. We use the common difference to go from one term to another. We have two examples of arithmetic sequence, and these are increasing arithmetic sequence and decreasing arithmetic sequence. If the common difference between consecutive terms is positive, we say that the sequence is increasing. Let's have an example. From the sequence of 4, 9, 14, 19, and 24, we have the common difference here of positive 5. Another, from the sequence of 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11, the common difference here is positive 2. Another example, from the sequence of negative 25, negative 10, positive 5, and positive 20, the common difference here is positive 15. On the other hand, if the common difference is negative, we say that the sequence is decreasing. Example, from the sequence of 20, 17, 14, 11, and 8, the common difference here is negative 3. Another example, from the sequence of 5, 1, negative 3, negative 7, and negative 11, our common difference here is negative 4. And last, from the sequence of 31, 24, 17, 10, and 3, the common difference here is negative 7. Are you following? Okay, let's have our first example. For our example number 1, from the sequence of 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15, our first term is denoted by a sub 1, which is 3, and our second term is 6. Our third term is 9. Our fourth term is 12. Our fifth term is 15. For us to determine the common difference, we use the formula a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Let's try to solve. From our a sub 2, which is 6, and our a sub 1, which is 3, since the formula is a sub 2 minus a sub 1, we need to subtract the first term to our second term. And 6 minus 3 gives us 3. A sub 3 minus a sub 2 equals to 9 minus 6 give us 3. A sub 4 minus a sub 3 is equal to 12 minus 9, and it gives us positive 3. A sub 5 minus a sub 4 is equal to 15 minus 12, and it gives us positive 3. Therefore, the common difference here is 3, and it is an example of increasing arithmetic sequence. To find the next two terms, add the common difference to the last given number. We use the formula a sub n plus d. In other words, we need to add the common difference to the number of terms. A sub 5 here is our last term, and we need to add the common difference, which is 3. Therefore, 15 plus 3, and it gives us 18. 18 now is our a sub 6. A sub 6 plus the common difference is equal to 18 plus 3 gives us 21. 21 now is our a sub 7. Therefore, the next two terms are 18 and 21. Another example. From the sequence of negative 9, negative 2, 5, and 12, our first term is negative 9. Our second term is negative 2. Our third term is 5. Our fourth term is 12. For us to determine the common difference, use the formula a sub 2 minus a sub 1. A sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to negative 2 minus negative 9. Negative 9 will become positive, therefore 9 minus 2 is 7. A sub 3 minus a sub 2 is equal to 5 minus negative 2. Negative 2 will become positive and just add, and it gives us 7. A sub 4 minus a sub 3 is equal to 12 minus 5, and it gives us 7. Therefore, the common difference here is 7, and it is also an example of increasing arithmetic sequence. To find the next two terms, add the common difference to the last given number using the formula a sub n plus the common difference, which is denoted by d. A sub 4 plus d is equal to 12 plus 7, and it gives us 19. 19 is now our a sub 5. A sub 5 plus d is equal to 19 plus 7 gives us 26. 26 now is our a sub 6. Therefore, the next two terms are 19 and 26. Another example. From the sequence of 15, 9, 3, and negative 3, our a sub 1 or our first term is 15. Our second term or a sub 2 is 9. Our third term is 3. Our fourth term is negative 3. To determine the common difference, use the formula a sub 2 minus a sub 1. A sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to 9 minus 15, and it gives us negative 6. A sub 3 minus a sub 2 is equal to 3 minus 9, and it gives us negative 6. A sub 4 minus a sub 3 is equal to negative 3 minus 3, and it gives us negative 6. Therefore, the common difference here is negative 6, and this is an example of decreasing arithmetic sequence. To find the next two terms, add the common difference to the last given number using the formula a sub n plus d. A sub 4, which is our last term, plus the common difference is equal to negative 3 plus negative 6, and it gives us negative 9. Negative 9 now is our a sub 5. From our a sub 5, add the common difference, which is negative 6, and it gives us negative 15. Negative 15 now is our a sub 6. Therefore, the next two terms are negative 9 and negative 15. To sum it up, when we say arithmetic sequence, it should have a common difference. If the sequence doesn't have common difference, therefore, it is not considered as an arithmetic sequence. Example, from the sequence of 6, 8, 12, and 22, and the sequence of 2, 4, and 8, this is not an example of arithmetic sequence because they don't have common difference. When 8 minus 6 will give us 2, and subtract 12 minus 8 will give us 4. Since the difference is not consistent or common, therefore it is not an arithmetic sequence. And that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless. Stay safe.